Hey everybody, in this video I'll be showing you how can you delete read-only contacts from Android. So to delete read-only contacts on Android, you typically need to unlink them from the source app such as WhatsApp or Facebook and then delete them from your contact list. Now first of all, you want to go to settings. As you go to settings, you want to look for apps and notifications, and then you want to click on see all apps. After which, click on the search bar, type in contacts. So go to the contacts section. So over here, you want to first of all try clearing your storage or cache, and after which exit out of this page and locate contact once again over here. Now open up the contact page and try deleting them. And if you are able to delete, then the issue has been fixed. And if you are unable to delete it, so that means you need to delete them from or unlink them from the sources like WhatsApp and Facebook and then delete it. If that doesn't work as well, then you have to use a third party tools such as Easy Contact or Easy Contact Clear from your Play Store, and that's going to help you out to clear your or read only contact from Android. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.